Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today I'm making a super easy and tasty leftover bread and chicken snack. This crispy snack is perfect to use leftover bread and turn it into something delicious for tea time or guest. Let's start the recipe. Take some bread slices and cut the edges. Now prepare the filling. In a bowl, add half cup boiled shredded chicken, 3 tablespoon capsicum, 1 tablespoon onion, 1 green chilli. Add half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon pepper powder. Now add 1 tablespoon mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon tomato sauce. Mix everything well. Take the mixture and spread it over a bread slice. Use lightly dry bread for better texture. Place another bread slice on top and make sandwich. Cut into 4 pieces. Now insert a stick. Prepare flour slurry. In a bowl, add half cup flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, and 2/3 cup water. Mix well to make a smooth batter. Do not make the slurry too thin. Dip each bread piece into the slurry. Coat with breadcrumbs. Press breadcrumbs well for even coating. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Leftover bread can be turned into many creative snacks. Chicken and bread is a classic quick combination. Breadcrumb coating gives extra crispiness. Stick snacks are popular for parties and kids. Fry on medium heat for perfect crispiness. Chicken provides protein and energy. Homemade snacks are cleaner and safer. Vegetables add vitamins and freshness. Controlling oil makes it a better snack option. Your crispy leftover bread and chicken snacks are ready. Serve hot with ketchup or your favorite dip. Try this easy recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innoven Foods for more creative snack ideas.